Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Measure and prep ingredients before you heat the pot. Use 6 cups fresh or frozen corn kernels and 1 cup heavy cream to mimic canned richness. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon sugar to balance sweetness and preserve flavor during canning. Reserve 1 cup whole kernels for texture and coarsely puree the rest in a food processor to create the creamy base. Blend until nearly smooth, but still slightly grainy like commercial canned cream corn. Keep lids and jars sanitized. Heat a heavy saucepan over medium and add 2 tablespoons butter, then the coarsely pureed corn, reserved whole kernels, and 1 cup milk. Simmer for 10 minutes to marry flavors. Make a slurry with 2 tablespoons cornstarch and 2 tablespoons cold water and stir it into the simmering corn to thicken like canned cream corn. Continue cooking 8 to 10 minutes until the sauce lightly coats a spoon and the corn is tender but not mushy. Taste and adjust 1 teaspoon salt or 1 tablespoon sugar. Sterilize jars and lids in boiling water, then keep warm. Ladle the hot cream corn into hot jars, leaving 1-inch headspace, wipe rims, and apply lids finger-tight. Process jars in a boiling water bath for 25 minutes for pint jars at sea level. Adjust time for altitude according to standard charts. Start timing when the water returns to a full boil. Remove jars, cool upright 12 hours, check seals, label with date, and store in a cool, dark place up to 12 months. Refrigerate after opening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.